Well, I wonder if the honourable gentleman knows which government it was who gave an effective asylum amnesty. It was the previous Labour government. And if he's so interested in the asylum backlog, does he know whether the asylum backlog has gone up or down under this new government? It's gone up. It's gone up. Just like the number of illegal migrants crossing the Channel has gone up, leaving a safe country, France, from which there is no necessity to depart in order to find safety. France has a fully functioning asylum system.